What's up? It's China here, and I finally got my first YouTube video out. My first video is going to be about this look right here. I do this look. It is a natural look. I do this look whenever I am in a rush, whenever I'm in a rush for work. Let me stop lying, because sometimes I go to work bummy. This is like a very essential look when it comes to the makeup world. That's why I want to start my video with this one, because it's basic, it's cute, and it's easy. But I will be putting more content on here. You know, y'all want to see Paris a little bit more. Y'all want to see Isaac more. Y'all want to see my life more. I may give y'all
your taste, okay? No, it took a long time for me to do this. It took me 2 years, but trust me, sis, them 2 years, I have sat back and I have learned, okay? I have learned the stuff that I need to learn to create this YouTube channel.
If you are watching, please like, comment, and subscribe, because there will be more content and there will be more Paris. Isn't she cute? And more me, you know, probably can't see me, but it's gonna be more of her. It's gonna be more makeup. It's gonna be more everything. So I look forward to it. I hope you guys look forward to it. So with that being said, I'm
talking way too much.
Let's get to the video. Okay. First, we're starting off with my Milk Hydrating Primer. Placing both drops on my cheek. I put a little goes a long way, sis. We want to make sure we get that everywhere: cheeks, nose, forehead, jaw. Next, we're going in with the foundation. I'm going in with my Real Techniques brush, using my NARS, I think it's called Macau. But I'm taking that Real Techniques brush, and I am getting my foundation everywhere. This is your base. This is what you want to look flawless. You want this to be blended to the chords, and you can't do that without having your foundation in every spot of your face, your neck, your chin, wherever it needs to go, baby. Wherever it needs to go, okay? Now we're going in with my NARS concealer. I'm just placing it under my eyes. I don't really highlight my face with, I don't do my nose, I don't do my forehead or my chin. I do it on my other clients, but I don't prefer it on myself. Next, I'm going in with my damp beauty blender. My beauty blender was kind of too damp, so I did not like how it was turning out. So I went to my Real Techniques brush. You'll see here in a second. I was using my Real Techniques brush. I love this brush, y'all. I love this brush. Kiki Adams actually taught me about this brush. I love her videos. Kiki Adams, you are the best, baby. Okay. And baby, make sure you blend, because this part right here, I didn't edit any part out because I want to show you guys how excessive you have to blend this. I used to wear my makeup like this, like a goddamn fool. Going in with my Black Radiance concealer stick. I love Black Radiance, love them. So I'm going from the top of my ears to the corner of my nose, top of my ears to the corner of my nose, and taking a flat brush. And I am blending that joint out, blending it out, because I don't want any harsh lines. I don't want you to see that I'm trying to snatch my jaw, okay? I don't want you to see that I'm trying to snatch my cheekbones either. You want to blend the hell out of your face, yeah. Blend it, and blend it. I will have an eyebrow tutorial maybe in my next video. Taking my Sasha Buttercup powder. You get this off of Amazon. I'm taking my damp beauty blender, and I am pressing that into my skin. Pressing just a little. Do not put a lot, because you do not want to look like your casket ready. And doing that on both sides of my face. and then on my upper lip. Taking my Real Techniques brush and I'm pressing that excess powder in and pressing it into my skin, making it look flawless, seamless. I don't know where the hell this brush came from. I don't know where half my brushes came from. I just buy brushes to buy brushes. See which one works. But I'm taking my Black Radiance and I'm snatching the hell out of my cheeks. My contour powder, pressed powder. I love Black Radiance. I told you that. I'm taking that on both sides and just not too much. I'm taking a slanted brush. I don't know where I got that either. But I'm using my Black Radiance pressed finishing powder. And I am taking it on my brows where I put my concealer for my brows so that can blend out with everything. I'm taking it at the top as well, blending it out. Then I'm going in with my L'Oreal finishing powder. And I'm going to take a big fluffy brush and put it on my forehead, chin, and nose where I don't have highlight nor contour. Next, I'm going in with the bronzer just to warm up my contour. If I don't do this, then my contour is harsh. So we take that bronzer from Black Radiance. And then I'm going in with blush, Black Radiance as well. Take that on my cheeks and my nose and my forehead. So next, we're going in with the e.l.f. setting spray. Spray that all over so all the powders can merge seamlessly. And I'll be doing my mascara next so that we can put on our lashes. I don't know what it is, but this whole damn video, I've been doing some ugly ass faces. I just have to get into those crevices, and the type of faces that I make, I have to make the most ugliest faces to get into all these crevices and creases and do what I got to do. What time it is? It's time for the lashes. So yes, I use hair glue because I am ghetto and I don't care. So first with the lashes, when you put your glue on, you're gonna put it in the middle of your lash. Then you're gonna hit them corners up. Hit them corners up, sis. Don't play. Hit them corners up because we do not like lifting lashes over here. Okay? Okay. Due to the fact we're in quarantine because of Miss Rona, I will be using my old lashes. These are Pixie. These are my brand. They're 25 millimeters. So if you want some, hit me up, sister. Cute. Now I'm going to highlight my nose. I'm going to put MAC highlighter on the bridge and on the tip of my nose and blend that out with my finger. I'm going to do that with any finger that doesn't have any highlight on it. I'm going to line my lips with my Anastasia Dip Brow, and I'm going to put a butter gloss that pairs chewed the hell up. But I'm going to take this time out to say, if you've watched my video through it all, I just want to say thank you so much, and I'm so appreciative of you. I really thank you for watching this. This took a while for me to do, and I appreciate everybody's patience for my videos to drop. I just want to say thank you, and I love you. Make sure you follow my Instagram at MakeupGeek702. I love you guys. Mwah.